Dear student, today I will discuss about coordinate geometry, Cartesian system. This is a Cartesian plane. A board is a like a suppose Cartesian plane. Two two lines, horizontal and vertical line, intersect each other at a point O. Now represent with the diagram. So now this is horizontal line. So now notation, this is x and x dash, and vertical line, so this is y and y dash. These lines intersect each other at a point O. This is called origin. Origin. This is origin. So this is point origin. So from origin x along, so this is x and x dash is called axis. So axis, and also this is axis, y dash also axis. So from origin, positive direction of axis, this is x axis, positive x axis. This is positive x axis. And also from x dash, from origin, so this is left, so this is negative axis, also this is positive axis, y positive axis, this is negative axis. So x dash called abscissa. This is called abscissa. X dash called abscissa, and y dash called ordinate, net. This is ordinate, so this is net. This is ordinate, this is abscissa. These line divide into four part of plane. So divide into four part. First, this is quadrant. Divide into four part. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quadrant. This is quadrant. These lines x dash and y dash divide on plane, divide into four part. This is quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and also this is fourth quadrant. So this is positive and this is positive, this is negative and also this is negative. So abscissa and ordinate denoted by small x. Small x. This is small x and this is small y. Small y. So now abscissa denote x-axis, ordinate denote y, small y-axis. If abscissa ordinate write in small bracket separated by comma. Abscissa and ordinate separated by comma close in small bracket. This is coordinate. So represent x comma y. X for abscissa, y for ordinate, separated by comma and close in small bracket. So known as this is coordinate. This is coordinate. This is coordinate. So according to this abscissa, when abscissa and ordinate in coordinate positive or negative. So now represent quadrant. So first quadrant, this is abscissa and ordinate will be positive, plus plus. This is plus, this is plus. This is abscissa, this is ordinate. This is abscissa, this is ordinate. So plus plus. So first quadrant, abscissa and ordinate x y positive. Both abscissa and ordinate positive. And second quadrant, so this is abscissa, this is ordinate. So this is negative, so minus plus. And second quadrant, abscissa and ordinate minus plus. Abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. And also third quadrant, so abscissa negative and ordinate also negative. So this is minus minus. First coordinate positive positive, second coordinate minus plus, and third coordinate both are negative, and abscissa negative, ordinate negative, and fourth coordinate abscissa positive and ordinate negative, plus minus. This is origin, this is origin. So O denoted by O, coordinate of origin. So coordinate of origin 0 0, coordinate of origin abscissa 0 and ordinate also 0. So coordinate of origin 0 0. First coordinate abscissa positive, ordinate positive. This is plus plus in first coordinate, second coordinate minus plus, and third coordinate both negative, abscissa negative and ordinate also negative, and fourth quadrant plus minus. So this is represent abscissa and ordinate coordinate in coordinate geometry. These coordinate geometry in Cartesian. So this is Cartesian system. That's all. Thank you. Learn it.